Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people. So Spice I say she not sure, you know. She not sure. Connection is a different thing when it real. One real, if it two real, it's fake. So this is what Spice have to say. Shenseea gonna make you know. Yeah, she make you know she go and humble herself and wait. Bojo Bantan and share some kind words with the youths. Yeah, people, look out for that big event here. Freedom Street. Yeah, everybody anticipate that one. Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, and they are going to hold beer vibes, you know what I mean? They represent for dancehall reggae vibes. And that one ya, fresh. Spice says she can't answer the question another way. Listen to the new song, yeah, and tell me if she answer the question correctly.
Which Caribbean country has the best men and why?
That's our hard question. Me nah go say Jamaica, I come from Jamaica, but me nah go say Jamaica have the best man because them love Gibbon. So me nah go pick them.
I think it's a Caribbean thing though. But
It's a Caribbean. But they say black man don't cheat, so I don't know.
No. But like based on the men that you've interacted.
I haven't been around a lot, so I wouldn't be able to say that.
Just your interaction and
no, me don't know. Me don't have only for man. I don't know if man me have.
So in DRV news, you know what I mean, Freedom Street, you know what I mean, the big concert, that big something there. If you miss the first tier of tickets, you know what I mean, the second wave show out. You know what I mean, what day? You know what I mean, September 7. Yes, if you get the ticket them, go and go find out what go on. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah, people, so Vibes Cartel promoter say no complimentary tickets now go run, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, and also remember, this is a once in a lifetime event, you know, and it's all about celebrating freedom and unity. You see me I say? The world boss will make his epic appearance and make him return to the stages in grand style. So, promoter say, boy, I'm not run no complimentary tickets. I guess the man them try to scrape every dollar, every nickel, every muckle where them can scrape right now. You know what I mean? To put back in them thing and make sure it's everything alright with going forward within the music business and future expenditure of life. You see me I say? With the artists.
I'm like, I'll wait for the Rihanna collab.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me learn a thing or two before I step into,
Gain your own motion.
Yeah, exactly.
Nah, for sure.
I'm very patient when it comes on to features. I'm not rushing to collab with anyone. That's one thing for sure. I'm not doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, watch you know. That one look epic and sound like a something for look forward for. Because you know, over LA, over Los Angeles, over one place, one part, you have real 92.3, which is, you know what I mean, the home of hip hop music, which is a radio station over there. So, you don't know, popular artist Shenseea was interviewed, and this is what she had to say. You see me, I say a couple questions, fling out a couple questions, ask, and, you know, that's to make you know straight, so she not go run down the thing, but when the thing naturally occur, it naturally occur. So everybody know Gargamel. Everybody know Buju Banton. And you don't know, this is what Buju Banton had to say and share with a couple of artists when buck up in the streets. As I can see, him and Javalani and Pablo YG that are going to hold a vibes. And some kind words he must share with the youth them, as you can see. Is it? So, yeah, from artist to an artist, general to the youth them up come forward. Yeah, man. Positive energy, you know.
See the youth them, yeah.
Yeah, man.
And the youth them this, you know. See it? Yeah, and them youth, yeah. I come do it and stand firm in the business like Butcher and Muta. Do it right.
Believe.
And you know when some good, it good. You see me I say, because good people do good things. You see me I say, real people do real things. So, this is one of our artists, and I mean phenomenally great. Spice. I share with you and I make you know what it was like, the connection between she and the great Vibes Cartel, Adidja Palmer. You know what I mean? So, listen up, people.
Vibes Kartel is a total different person than how the public sees him. I know he has this gangster image where people think, oh, Kartel a gangster. But for me, he's always fun, always laughing, such a burst of energy, always teasing me, finding something to trouble about. I guess that's why it started rumor like we were in a relationship, but we weren't, because we were just like so close, always a laugh with each other. working with him was, I kind of take a lot from his work ethic, where every day in their studio and him advise all 20 songs one day and him now write it on paper, and I'm trying to study that. I still can't study because me have to write it on my phone. I remember if I deliver it, but then man they would come to studio and just spit lyrics and just deliver, and him now use phone, write down nothing, him now use the paper and pen. Him just naturally, I think, was just born to do this.